Antarctica, a vast icy wilderness at the bottom of the world. This remote and desolate place is unlike any other on Earth. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. The conditions here are so extreme that only the hardiest of life forms can survive. For centuries, this frozen land remained a mystery. Early maps depicted it as a blank white expanse, and it was often referred to as Terra Australis Incognita, the unknown southern land. Early explorers imagined a land filled with riches. They dreamed of discovering new resources and claiming new territories. What they found was a challenging and unforgiving environment. The harsh conditions tested their endurance and resolve. Today, Antarctica is a place of international cooperation. Nations from around the world have established research stations here, working together in the spirit of scientific discovery. Scientists from around the world work together to study its secrets. They conduct research on everything from climate change to glaciology, and their findings have global implications. Antarctica is a land of extremes. Temperatures can plummet to -80 degrees Celsius. The cold is so intense that it can freeze exposed skin in minutes. Winds can howl at over 300 kilometers per hour. These powerful gusts can create blinding snowstorms and make travel treacherous. But even in this harsh environment, life finds a way. The resilience of the creatures that inhabit this land is truly remarkable. Penguins, seals, and whales thrive in the surrounding ocean. These animals have adapted to the extreme conditions and have become symbols of Antarctic life. On land, lichens and mosses cling to the rocks. These hardy plants are some of the few that can survive the freezing temperatures and lack of nutrients. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of nature. Despite the extreme conditions, life has found a way to endure and even thrive. The continent is covered by a massive ice sheet. This ice sheet holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. It is a crucial component of the Earth's climate system. If all of this ice melted, it would raise sea levels by over 60 meters. Such a rise would have catastrophic effects on coastal communities around the world. Antarctica plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its ice reflects sunlight, helping to keep our planet cool. The icy continent reflects sunlight back into space. This albedo effect is essential for maintaining the Earth's temperature balance. This helps to keep our planet cool. Without Antarctica's ice, the Earth would be much warmer. Antarctica is a place of wonder and discovery. Its icy landscapes hold clues to the Earth's past. By studying the ice, scientists can learn about ancient climates and how our planet has changed over time. Its unique wildlife continues to amaze us. The behaviors and adaptations of these animals provide valuable insights into the resilience of life. And its role in the global climate system makes it a place of vital importance. The research conducted here has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the planet. Join me as we explore the history of Antarctica, from its early exploration to its crucial role in the 21st century. Together, we will uncover the secrets of this frozen continent and understand its significance. For centuries, the existence of a southern continent was just a theory, a tantalizing mystery that captured the imaginations of scholars and explorers alike. Ancient Greek scholars believed in a balance of land masses, a concept rooted in their understanding of the world. They reasoned that there must be a large landmass in the south to counterbalance the continents in the north, a theory that persisted through the ages. They called this hypothetical landmass Terra Australis Incognita, or the unknown southern land, a name that would echo through history. Early explorers, driven by curiosity and the promise of new lands, sailed south, searching for this unknown land. They encountered treacherous seas and harsh weather conditions, which tested their resolve and their ships' endurance. Many ships and their crews were lost to the icy waters, their dreams of discovery ending in tragedy. But the lure of the unknown continued to draw explorers southward, undeterred by the dangers that lay ahead. In the 18th century, explorers began to make significant progress, pushing further into the uncharted southern waters. Captain James Cook, a renowned British explorer, circumnavigated Antarctica in the 1770s, a monumental achievement of its time. He didn't actually sight the continent itself, but his detailed observations were invaluable. His voyage proved that a massive landmass existed, reshaping the world's understanding of the southern hemisphere. Cook's voyages opened up the Southern Ocean to exploration and exploitation, setting the stage for future expeditions. Seal hunters and whalers followed in Cook's wake, drawn by the promise of rich resources. They were drawn by the abundance of seals and whales in the Southern Ocean, which promised lucrative returns. These early hunters played a crucial role in mapping the coastline of Antarctica, contributing to the growing body of knowledge about the continent. They also established the first settlements on subantarctic islands, enduring harsh conditions to support their ventures. These settlements served as bases for further exploration of the continent, paving the way for future generations of explorers. The early 20th century marked the beginning of the heroic age of Antarctic exploration, a period characterized by daring expeditions and remarkable feats of endurance. Explorers from different countries, driven by a mix of national pride and scientific curiosity, raced to be the first to reach the South Pole, a place untouched and unknown. They faced extreme conditions, including bone-chilling temperatures, fierce blizzards, and the ever-present threat of frostbite. These brave souls relied on their courage, determination, and the hope of achieving something monumental. The race to the pole became a symbol of national pride and scientific endeavor, with each team hoping to bring glory to their homeland and contribute to the world's understanding of this frozen frontier. One of the most famous and tragic expeditions was led by a British explorer named Robert Falcon Scott, whose name would become synonymous with both heroism and heartbreak. Scott and his team set out in 1910 with the ambitious goal of reaching the South Pole. They were determined to plant the British flag at the southernmost point on Earth. They faced treacherous terrain, relentless blizzards, and dwindling supplies. Every step forward was a battle against the elements and their own physical limits. Despite incredible hardships and the constant threat of failure, they reached the pole on January 17, 1912, a moment of both triumph and despair. To their dismay, they discovered that a Norwegian team, led by the seasoned explorer Roald Amundsen, had beaten them to it by just a few weeks, a crushing blow to their spirits. Amundsen and his team had taken a different route and had better equipment, which gave them a crucial advantage in the race to the pole. They reached the pole on December 14, 1911, and returned safely to their base, their mission a resounding success. Scott and his team, however, were not so fortunate. The return journey proved to be an insurmountable challenge. Weakened by the harsh conditions and running perilously low on supplies, they perished one by one on their return journey, their dreams of glory turning into a nightmare of survival. Their diaries, found with their bodies, told a tale of extraordinary courage, unyielding spirit, and ultimate sacrifice, providing a poignant record of their final days. Scott's expedition became a tragic but heroic tale of exploration, a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure and strive for greatness, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Another remarkable story from the heroic age is that of Sir Ernest Shackleton and his ship, the Endurance. Shackleton's goal was to cross the Antarctic continent from one side to the other. His expedition set sail in 1914, but disaster struck. When the Endurance became trapped in pack ice, the ship drifted with the ice for months. The crew endured freezing temperatures, dwindling supplies, and the constant threat of the ice crushing their ship. Finally, the Endurance was crushed and sank. Shackleton and his men were stranded on the ice floes. Their incredible story of survival is a testament to human resilience. Shackleton led his men across the treacherous ice to Elephant Island. From there, he and a small crew made an epic journey in a small boat. They sailed 800 miles across the open ocean to South Georgia Island to get help. Amazingly, Shackleton returned to Elephant Island and rescued his stranded crew. Not a single man was lost. Though they failed to achieve their original goal, Shackleton's expedition became legendary for its leadership, courage, and endurance.